Hello everyone, myself Kalyan. So I am having 5 plus experience in big data. So today I am going to talk about the Ubuntu installation using VirtualBox. So for that the prerequisite will be we need to take care of first installing the VirtualBox, and after that downloading the Ubuntu software from the Ubuntu repositories. Let me follow the slides. The first step is installing the VirtualBox on your machine. So you can go for the below link to download the VirtualBox software, and after that you can just install one by one step-by-step execution of the VirtualBox. So once you complete the VirtualBox on your box, then please go for the Ubuntu link. The link is like here. So once you download the Ubuntu software from the Ubuntu repositories, then we'll follow the approach for how to install the Ubuntu software on your VirtualBox. So for that, just let me follow my screen. The first place, start your VirtualBox once it is installed. Once the VirtualBox window is open to you, then go for the first option is click on new. So once you click on the new, you give your operating system name. So I'll be going to give my operating system name is Kalyan Ubuntu. So you need to choose the type of the software, that is a Linux, and which version is it, 32-bit or 64-bit. I'll be going with the 64-bit. Then once you choose all these values, go for the option called next. So once you click on the next, you have an option to choose your RAM size, depends on your operating system currently you are having it. Suppose I'm having like a 16 GB, so I can choose around like 11 GB maximum. So depends on your operating system, you have to choose this value. So I'll be going with right now 2 GB RAM for my VirtualBox, so that is 2048. Then I will click on next. Then here you have an option to choose like an existing virtual drive from your machine, or else you can create a new virtual drive. So today we are interested to going for creation. So let's click on the create new virtual disk option and go for option with the create. Then you will be having a multiple options here: VDA, VDMTK, VHD, SDD, QAD. Okay, so up to your choice is okay for us. So I will go for the VDA, then go with the next. Then you can choose your memory with two options: dynamically or fixed size. Better to go with the dynamic allocation. Later you can always change that one. So then I'll be clicking on the next option. So then you have a chance like a minimum 8 GB it is offering, but you can choose like as you wish. So better to go for, if you want doing in big data installation, means choose around 15 GB. It will be a better choice, like you can do any other kind of installations. So after choosing the 15 GB here, then click on the create option. So now it is open a windows for you, just like a one Kalyan Hadoop option to you. So now next step for you, we just need to load the ISO image to this one. So for that, click on the start option. So once you click on the start option, there is an option to choose drive for you. So click on the choose VirtualBox ISO. So I will be going with the option in my local machine, desktop, Ubuntu, the ISO. So I'll be selecting that one. Then I'll be clicking on the start. Then it will be going to load your ISO to your VirtualBox. So wait for a few seconds to load this one. Yes, the current version of the Ubuntu I have chosen like a 12.04 64-bit version. So it is going to loading. You can close these things if you are not interested to visualize. So now I have an option to try it and install it. So I'll be going with the install option because I'm ready to install the Ubuntu. Then you will be having an option for selecting the downloads update at the time of installation, or you want to install third-party software. It's up to you. You want to check for this one, you need to have internet. If you don't have any internet right now, go for that, simply continue. and you have an option called erase entirely or something. So if you are going with the VirtualBox, you can go for erase or something else. Anything is fine, not an issue. And here, so I'll be giving like a my 16 GB for the space for this one for entire to the Ubuntu and install now. So it's a choice for you where you are located in the throughout the world. You can choose the option. Right now it is by default selected the Kolkata here in India. So I'll be continue with that. So the keyboard right now I'm using like a US English. So I selected that one. I'll be going with continue. And you can define your own name here. So I'll be going with my name is Kalyan and my computer name also Kalyan. So I'll be using my username is Kalyan. Then choose your password and confirm your password. If everything is completed here, then go for the continue. It will take a bit time. So now it is installing the operating system. You can always verify what's going on by clicking on install system. It needs some time, depends on your RAM speed. I will pause for some time. Yeah. After waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, so you will be going to get like a message like installation is completed. So you can go for restarting your system. So please click on the restart now. So now your Ubuntu is restarting. And if you're using like a ISOMS or maybe like a CD drive, it's always give you prompt like a please print enter. So once you print enter, it's going to be continue the next step. So now it is restarting. So now, so we're going to username is Kalyan. So now username is came. So you can provide your password, what you given as part of the installation time. Now it is configuring your desktop. Yes, now you are fully logged into the Ubuntu. So now you want to do any command line things, means you can go for the dash home, the left corner one, and click on that one, type terminal. So you want to make these things in a shortcut. These things are in a shortcut, means you can always do the drag and drop. So now I dragged it. So the next time onwards I have to go for this one. I can order it also, always all these things. Sorry. Let's open the page. You can close it. You don't want all these things, means you can unlock it also. I don't want to upgrade to 14th version, so I clicked on the don't upgrade. So this is the terminal. If you clicking on that one, it always shows you the first one is the username, second one is the host name. So these both we given as part of the Ubuntu installation. So now you can practice your Linux commands, like you want to find ls, it's a list command, it will list out the files. You want to use the cat command to verify the file content. There is a file etc hysts. If I give this one, it will display the content of the file. So like this you can do any kind of commands in the Ubuntu now. So you are ready to do any kind of operation now. So please follow the same instructions. If you have anything, you can just reply to the comments, reply to me also. So I'll be open. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be closing it.